putting back the divider that separates the inverter from the other cabinets. Okay. Okay, done. Now this is glued together. We have a closable vent. Center it over the hole. You may be able to see it. Now a small handle. Okay, and let it dry. I have to drill a hole in the lower cabinets for the 110 volt cable that goes to the smaller inverter. I'm starting to work on some lights. This is the bottom of my lower cabinets and this is the front, and it has a small toe kick, and at the top of the toe kick, which you normally can't see, I routed a groove. That groove will support an LED light strip. Then I have to remove the tape. Make a little extension cord for the LED lights in the toe kick. Okay, now I pre-positioned my heat shrink. I got a second heat shrink that goes over both of them. This goes to the area behind the toe kick. That's fine. Okay, that wire is secured. Kom hier. Hier, down. Oké. Nou, een beetje hier. Zo, ja. Ja. Een beetje hier. Yeah. Hey, good guy. Yeah. Hi guys. I had a short and busy week. Done a lot of work behind the scenes and ordering stuff and so on. But now I'm ready to install the cabinets. As you've seen, I've several small details of it, but now it's ready to be put into the van, together with the wall panel and the side panel. I still have to do some cabling and wiring, but hopefully then next week I can show you how it really is starting to look like. Joey is my big help. Eh? A good guy? Hey, the boss? Yeah? Now you're quiet, eh? So thanks for watching and see you next week. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.